Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix no sound in Snapchat calls. First, you just need to make sure that you don't turn on any focus mode on your device. If there's any focus mode turned on, then you can just tap on it for once and it will just disable the focus mode. Sometimes a focus mode prevent your device to making sounds for any type of notification or calls. So you just need to turn the focus mode off. After that, if you are on silent mode, then you just need to turn on the ring mode. Here you can see if you are on silent mode, then you will find this type of bell icon. Now you just need to tap for it for once to turn off the silent mode on your device. Then make sure that you have enough volume on your device so you can get the calls, or you can just hear the call sounds on your device. There's another way that you can follow to solve this issue. You can just go to the Snapchat application, then tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Now tap on this gear icon at the top right corner here, like this. Just tap on it. Now from here you just need to scroll a little down and you will find this notifications option. Tap on it, and from here that you just need to make sure that your notification is turned on for this Snapchat application. So let me show you. You just need to go to the settings and scroll all the way down until you find apps here. Now search for Snapchat. Here it is. So you just need to tap on it, and from here make sure the notification is turned on for Snapchat. So, and you just need to follow on one more thing in this section, that sounds is turned on. So if it's turned off, then you just need to tap on this toggle button for once to turn it on, and if sounds is off, then you will get the notification or calls from Snapchat, but it won't make any type of sounds on your device. So make sure that it is turned on here. Now there's another there can be a probability that there can be another thing that can cause for this type of issue. Then let me show you. You just need to go to the Snapchat application, then tap on that, and if one of your friend like this one, I'm going to add it, I'm going to mute it right now like this. You just need to tap on chat and notification settings, and from here you'll find notification settings. Now here, if you mute calls for any person on your Snapchat here, then you will get this bell icon, this cross bell icon beside your friend's name. So if it's turned on your Snapchat, that you won't get any call from your friends. So make sure that you have unmute them from this chat settings here. Now from here you just need to go to the here same settings, and you just need to tap on mute calls toggle button once, and it will just turn off, and it will just unmute your friends, and they can send you calls, or you can get the sounds of the calls and alert of the calls that your friend have called you from Snapchat. Now you can just set a notification from here, notification sound and some ringtone sound from here that are much louder. Now the last thing you can do is make sure that you are using most updated Snapchat application. So you just need to go to the App Store or Play Store, then search for the Snapchat, and you can just tap on it and make sure that you are using most updated application of Snapchat on your device. If there's any update button available, then you make sure that you tap on that update button and update that Snapchat on your device. And then there's another way that you can just go to the general settings from your device settings, just like this, and go to the iPhone storage, and from here you can just find this Snapchat application, and make sure that you tap on this offload button to get a quick refresh for this application. So it will just delete some additional files of this Snapchat, and it will re-download them, and that's when your app will be get a quick refresh. So you can just solve this problem by this little these tiny steps. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.